Till what extent you know about the probability? Probability, what exactly you know? It's chances. Probability is nothing but chances of getting. And probability में conditions क्या है? What conditions? There will be a probability is nothing but normally in the from the 9th class onwards we are going on reading this random experiment. Probability whenever it comes to you, random experiment. Random experiment is nothing but an experiment in which the results are known, but exact result cannot be predicted. That means suppose if you toss a coin, tossing a coin will be there whenever. So you know the result, either you get head or tail, but you don't know the exactly what you get. You cannot say that. You cannot predict the result. Such type of the experiment is called as a random experiment. Basic things I am trying to explain it to you. In the random experiments, what are the results we are getting? Outcomes. We call them as the outcomes. So what each outcome is called as a elementary event. Each outcome is called as a elementary event. And individual elementary event are some events. If you combine them, then whatever you get, it is called as an event. And sample space is nothing but all the events together, all the elementary events together as a one set. If you consider, it is called as a sample space. And events are usually denoted by the letter E. And the probability of any event is nothing but number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Basic things I am explaining to you, what you have learned in 11th class and before that. So random experiment, an experiment in which the results are known, but we cannot predict the exact result, is called as a probability normally. Sorry, random experiment. And in the random experiment, what results we are getting, they are called as the outcomes. We call them as outcomes and elementary events. Elementary events. So event is nothing but some elementary events together. If you are taking, then it is called as an event. And sample space is nothing but all the elementary events. If you write as a set, suppose if you take the what is the sample space when you toss a coin, means head, tail. This is the sample space. So what is the sample space when you throw a die? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Usually a die is going to have the 6 faces, and each number is with the 1 to 6. So like die, coin, and picking a card from the deck of the cards. 52 cards will be there. Playing cards whenever you are taking deck of the cards. And each is going to have the 4 different suits will be there, 2 different colors. One is red color, another one is black color. Basic things I am explaining to you. Red color and black color. So these are all the things you have learned in the previous class. And each black color is going to have the 2 suits, and the red color is going to have the 2 suits. When you take the deck of the cards, these are the basic things on cards whenever you take into consider. Okay, so red, black. So in the red color, we are going to have the 2 suit. Suit is nothing but symbol normal. So one is heart and diamond. In the black color, we are going to have the one is
Spade and
spade.
clubs.
Spade. Yes, very
And
good.
clubs.
Club. So like this club is nothing but just like a flower, and spade is nothing but just like a. This is called spade, and this is club. Very good. You have given a reply at least. Okay. Heart and diamond. So in each suit, we are going to have the 2, 3, 4, 2 to 10 numbers, and ace, J, Q, K. This is jock, and this is queen, and
Queen, king.
king. Okay, so these three are called face cards. We call them as a face cards. Like this, in every suit, you are going to have the 13 cards. 13 4 is 52. Total number of cards 52. So this is the thing about the cards. Okay, so based on the mostly the probability is nothing but probability of any event whenever you take into consider. Probability of an event is nothing but E. E is equals to number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. So this is the thing probability in class 11th you have learned. Now we are going to learn, and whenever you observe that probability of any event is always lies between 0 and 1. It lies between 0 and 1. If the probability of any event is 0, then it is called impossible event. If probability of any event is 1, it is called as a sure event. Event is called as a sure event. So now let us come to the our 12th class. We are going to learn the conditional probability and the multiplication theorem and probability, Bayes theorem, and these are the different things you are going to learn. In the 12th class, whatever the probability is there, really it is very interesting, and you feel that it is difficult because everyone says, but it's not difficult. If you see here, you can understand the probability in easiest way from the starting onwards if you go on reading your textbook. और कुछ नहीं. My best suggestion is to you read the textbook and analyze everything whatever it is given to you. Then it is easy task to you to understand. Okay. So the first conditional probability. First thing is conditional probability. So what is meant by conditional probability means if you take E and F are the two events associated with the sample space of any random experiment. Any random experiment ka E and F are the two events associated with the sample space में कुछ subsets. So event is nothing but subset of the sample space. Simple thing in a terminology of sets if you discuss that. And conditional probability of E given that F occurred means E already F is occurred is denoted by E by F. Probability given that F. We read it as a probability E given that F. E by F not probability E given by F. So F already occurred. So F actually should be taken as a sample space. Then probability of E should be found out. So that gives you the same thing as probability of E intersection F by probability of F. Originally the formula is this one. But in case, as an example, whenever you take into consider, one example if you take into consider, probability of any event if you are taking into consider, sample space of throwing a coin 3 times you take into consider. Okay, when you throw the coin 3 times, probability समझने के लिए that you have to go through that probability of throwing a coin 3 times. So that is sample space is what here when you coin if you toss the 3 times head tail tail. With the head I have combinations have next to tail with the combination tail head tail head tail head tail. So 8 we are going to get. This is the sample space, and in this sample space I am taking the two events. That event E is at least 2 heads appears. E is event at least 2 heads appear. At least 2 heads. And F is an event I am taking into consider that first coin shows tail. First coin shows tail. So let us write the events. What do you get? E event, what do you get here? At least 2 heads. Minimum 2 heads. So that is nothing but more than 3 heads also you may have. So first one you are going to get head. Second one you will get head, tail, head. Third one also you will get head, tail. Fourth you are not going to get it because minimum at least 2 heads. So at least 2 heads you are going to have E, H. Still nothing is there. So this is 4 elementary events. We call them 4 elementary events. Now F if you are taking into consider, first one is these 4 only are going to T, H, T, H, T, H, T. Okay. So now probability of event E. What is the probability of event E? Number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Actually, favorable outcomes means 4. Total number of outcomes 8. 4 by 8, which is equals to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the probability of E. Probability of F is 1. Can you say? Is also F having the 4, same 4 by 8. We are going to get it 1 by 2. So here, what is E intersection F? You are going to get. What is the common elements in these two? What are the common we are having? only THH is a common. THH. So then what is the probability of E intersection F? 1 out of 8.
One.
Probability
Yes.
of E intersection is 1 out of 8. Now here, if you want to find the probability of E given F, means F is already occurred. F is already occurred, and what is the probability of? Means F occurred is nothing but only first coin shows tail is occurred. First coin shows tail is occurred. So when
It
it
will be
is
1 by
taken
4.
into consider, so what is the probability of, means that is a sample space. F is a sample space you can take into consider in this situation. ये F को sample space करना है. Now, what is the probability of getting two heads when this is a sample space? When
Okay.
this is a sample space is taken, what is the probability of getting two heads? At least two heads is nothing, but only this one is there.
One.
So one
Yes,
favorable
only
outcome
one.
out of the four outcomes. So out of four outcomes, 1 by 4. Without using this formula, we are doing. But same thing you can find out even you use probability of E intersection F by probability of F, you do it. Probability of E
Yes,
intersection
1
F
by
is 1
4.
by 8.
1 by
As
8
it
by
is 1
into
by
1 by.
1. Same 1 by 4 here. So that is nothing but original meaning is that F should be taken as a sample space. But every time it is not possible to us to take the F as a sample space. Every time it is not possible to us to take the F as a sample space. So that's why conditional probability will be taken into consider that probability of E intersection F by probability of F. Okay, so this is that, and some properties of conditional probability. So very simple here, conditional probability, nothing is there. It's not very complicated. So properties. So what are the main properties we are having? So which the sample space is taken into consideration. Probability, first property, probability of sample space given F is equals to, or probability of F given F. Same condition, whenever both are taken into consider, these two are equals to 1. Because S given F is nothing but probability of S given, sorry, S given F is nothing but probability of S intersection F by probability of F. S intersection F is nothing but sample space का F का intersection. This is universal set. Universal set का and F का intersection is nothing but again probability of F only. Probability of F by probability of F, which is equals to 1. In the same way, sorry, probability of F intersection F. F given F can be written as probability of F by probability of F, which is equals to probability of F given F is, sorry, F intersection. So probability of F intersection F is nothing but probability of F by probability of F. This is also equals to 1. Okay. So whenever this is the main property here, whenever you are taking into consideration. Next, probability of A union B given F. Probability of A union B given F. So, sorry. Just you try to remember these properties here. Second one is probability of A union B given F is equals to probability of A given F, just like, plus probability of B given F minus probability of A intersection B given F. Probability of A given F, probability of B given F, and probability of A intersection B given F. In case, normally you know that probability A union B formula also you know. Based on that only you are going to get this one. In case A and B are the two disjoint events, A and B are the two disjoint events if you are taking into consider, then in that case, this becomes 0. Intersection part becomes 0. So the probability of A union B given F is equal to probability of A given F B. And the third property is probability of E complement given F. Not E. Not E, that is called as a null. So 1 minus probability of E given F. This is written as a 1 minus probability of E given F. Now based on this conditional probability, simple exercise problems are given to you. So let us see the exercise problems now. Okay. It's not very complicated, 13.1.
Yeah.
Simple problems are there. Just by skipping some problems, then I'll explain to you. Mainly Bayes theorem problems are, and some problems in conditional probability. Sorry, multiplication theorem in second exercise. You may feel little bit difficult, but in this, it's not that much difficult. Multiplication theorem is also it's reverse process of the conditional probability. I will explain to you that after completion of this concept. So first question is given that E and F are the given such that probability of E. First question is given that probability of E is equals to 0.6 and probability of F is equals to 0.3 and probability of E intersection F is equals to 0.2. Observe that any probability if you are taking into consider, it lies between 0 and 1. And asking you to find out probability of E intersection E given F and probability of F given E. It's very simple here. Probability of E given F is equals to probability of E intersection F by probability of F. Probability of E intersection F is 0.2 by probability of F is equals to 0.3. So which is equals to 2 by 3. Okay. Second one directly you can find out. Even F given, suppose if your question is asking you here F given E is equals to probability of F given E is also F intersection E intersection F by A intersection F or F intersection E. Both are same. So what do you get here? Probability of F intersection E is equals to 0.2 by 0.6, which is equals to 2 by 6, which is 1 by 3, 0.33. Value you see, what answer you get in probability, try to remember that it always lies between 0 and 1. A given B and probability of B is given in directly substituting only. Third question also B given A is asking and intersection is asking, union is asking. When you find out intersection, probability of A given E, all you can do it. And the fourth question is probability of A union B. Yes. Okay. Fourth question see here. You may feel little bit difficult, but it's not difficult. But it is repeatedly sometimes the question asked in the exams. Fourth one. Probability of A union B is you need to find out 2 times of probability of A is equals to probability of B is equals to 5 by 30 and probability of A given B is given to as 2 by 5. Okay, so now it is we need to find out probability of A union B. This is we need to find. So probability of A union B is nothing but probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection. So we need to find the probability of A intersection. And it is given that probability of A given B. So before that, okay, this is equals to 2 by 5. So probability of A intersection B by probability of B is equals to 2 by 5. Probability of B kitna 5 by 30. So probability of A intersection B is equals to 2 by 5 into 5 by 30. A into 2 ho jayega. So which is equals to 2 by 30. So probability of A is equals to 5 by 13 into 2. 2 times probability of A equal to 5 by 13. So probability of A is equal to 5 by 26. So now probability of A union B is equals to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection. So probability of A is 5 by 26. So 5 by 26. Probability of B is 5 by 13 minus probability of A intersection B is 2 by 30. So simplify karo. This probability also you will get always less than 1 and greater than 0, lies between 0 and 1. So isko simplify karna. Okay. So fifth question, if you see that probability of A given, B given, A intersection B, A union B is given, and asking you to find out A intersection B. Using this A intersection B find out kar sakte. When you find out intersection A given B, B given A find out kar sakte. So question number 6 to 9. Different situations are given to you and asking you to find out the probability of E given X. Okay, so let us say take the one situation, some situations into consider, and I'll explain it. Sixth question. First situation, E is given to you that head on the third toss. Coin is tossed 3 times, just like previous one only. Head on third toss. Third toss में head. And F is a probable AC. F is an even head on the first 2 tosses. Heads on first 2 tosses. So first you write a sample space. It's better you write a sample space here. Every time it may not be possible to write a sample space. So first you take here head, 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 tail, head, 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 tail, head, tail, tail. First head वाला पूरा लिखा. Next tail वाला लिखा. Tail, head, head, tail, tail, head, tail, head, tail, and tail, tail, tail. Like this. Now E, what is the event E? E is equals to head are the third toss. Third toss mein head. That is nothing but first one, third toss head, second one, this one, this one. So we are going to get here head, 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 tail, head, tail, head, head, tail, tail, head. This can be done in 2 ways. F. Head are first 2 tosses. First 2 tosses head, 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 head. The head, tail. Next.
2. Only 2 is there.
Yeah, these two. Actually, when you see that this is sample space, you need to find out probability of E given F. F of F sample space without using the formula I'm saying to you. F को sample space मान लो. This one. So what is the probability of getting head on the third task? In this probability of getting head on the third task. Third task में head only one is there. 1 out of the 2. Answer is 1 by 2.
It's the common one. Or just okay.
Even no need of going to the formula also. Just directly I'm saying formula if you want to go probability of E intersection F by probability of E. Actually F should be taken as F given that F is probability E event given that F. That is nothing but F is given. That is not, F should be taken as a sample space. F should be taken as a इसमें when what is the probability of this is sample space and what is the probability of getting a head on the third test? Means 1 only there out of 2. 1 out of 2. So that is nothing but 1 by 2. Here you will get the same thing 1 by 2. What is A intersection F you will get here? E intersection F. In this 2 common is only 1 head, head, head. So what is the probability of E intersection F is nothing but most of the students will write here mistake. 1 not. 1
no,
by
I was
8.
1 by 8.
You have 1 by 8 you have to. Direct answer you are going to get it 1 by 8. Here probability of F is nothing but 2 by 8. Most of the students will do the mistake what you know. इसमें 1 है 1. F में 2 है 2. Answer is right. But step is actually the ideology is wrong. दिमाग में क्या है वो गलत. That is wrong actually. Probability ना. Probability is nothing but 1. इसका probability is nothing but 2. Probability never be 2.
Yeah, it can be only from 0 to 1.
Yes. So 1 by 8 by 2 by 8 actually. Which is equals to actually final answer is 1 by 2. Even you can do like this or you can do by taking F as a sample space. Even F as a sample space by taking also you can do it. So like this, whatever the situations are given to you, finding the E given F only the things are given to you. And let us see that 9th question, let us take into consider. Okay, family, mother, father and son lie up random for a family picture. Okay, so the question is given to you that mother, father, son. So let us represent the mother, father, son as a M F S. Okay, so what is the sample space in that? Sample space S is equal to. Is the board visible to you?
Yes, sir. Just a bit unclear. I mean, I'm just listening to you properly. Yeah. Due to network issue.
Maybe power cut. There is a power cut. So that's why light also a little bit less is there. So the question is asking to you, okay, sample space, let us write here first. Sample space is equals to mother, father, son. So three members are standing for a family picture. So MFS. M you can take mother first, next son middle, next father. So next father first. Father, mother, son. Father, son, mother. Son, father, mother. Son, mother, father. So this is a sample space. Okay? Did you understand here? Sample space. So three members are standing for
Yes,
the
sir.
family picture. When they are standing for the family picture, and what are the different situations, means different
Possible
events,
outcomes.
elementary
Yeah.
events that we need to take into consideration. Elementary events. We call them each one as a one elementary event here. Okay. Now the question what it is asking to you, find the now question is asking to you. So E is given to you as a sun on the one end. E is the event given that sun on one end. F is given father in the middle. Sun on the one end. Any one end means sun. So this is you are going to get FMS, and
2
this you are
by
going to get
2/6.
sun at the end. I think we have missed the one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 3 factorial. Yes, 3 factorial is nothing but 2 only. So 6 only. 6 ways we are going to get. 3 members can arrange themselves in a 3 factorial ways.
Yes.
Number of ways. Yes. Permutations and combination concept.
Yeah.
Also 6 you are going to get. So sun at the any one end it is asking. So this is a one chance. This is another. And the first
Only
end
two
में
chances.
no. Yeah, this is
Okay,
also you
any
are going
end.
to.
Okay, yeah.
Any one end on the one end, and F is
Yes.
given to you as an event that father in the middle. Father in the middle. So F, M, F, sorry, MFS, and father in the middle. Yes, SMF. These two are. So this is given to you. Can you tell me that what is the probability of E given F without any formula and anything?
EFF. It will be MFS.
This is a sample space. In this,
Yes.
sun should be at end. E is nothing but sun at the one end. Sun at the one end. How many elementary events are there? How many outcomes are there? In this is sample space. Means total 2. Out of
1 by
2.
2 only.
Yes, 1 by 2 only.
Yeah.
That's all. 1 by 2. Simple actually. But as per the normally conditional probability is taken, E intersection F should be taken. And in these two, the common whatever you will get E and F, this is one only you are going to get M, F, S. So this is actually the probability of formula. As per the formula, whenever you go to, you are going to get like this. E intersection F is 1 by 6 by F is 2 by 6. 6 will get cancelled 1 by 2. Mostly the problems, all the problems will be like this only. So it's not very difficult to you to do the questions here. So
So
let us
E
move to the
intersection F will be 2 na. MFS and SFM both are there. 2 by 6.
oh sorry sir. Yes. 2. Yes, even one is a problem. In this case, M, F, S, S, M, F. If you take the 1 not 1 by 2, you'll get.
Yes.
Two events are there. Out of two, in the two cases, you are going to have the sun is at the end. So 2 by 2 you will get, sorry. So this is probability you are going to get here. This is 2 by 6 by 2 by 6, which is equals to 1 you are getting. This event is probability of E given
Event is
F is
1.
called as 1. So 1 is nothing but it is called as certain event or sure event. What do we call? If the probability of any event is equals to 1, then that event is called as certain event or sure event.
Okay.
Certain event or
Certain
sure
or
event.
sure.
Okay. So next, let us move to the remaining. Huh?
Okay, so your wish.
What?
No, I didn't do anything.
Okay. 10th and 11th problems are, you can do it. And coming to the 12th question, assume that each born child is equally likely to be a boy or girl. If a family has two children, what is the conditional probability that both are girls, given that? First condition. What is the probability? See, here onwards, the questions are very, very little bit difficult, you may find here. So assume that each born child is equally likely as a boy. The family has two children. Two children is nothing but what are the probabilities of having a boy girl? Means boy boy हो सकता है, boy girl, huh? And
Yes.
girl boy and girl girl. So these are the different situations you are going to have it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it audible to you?
Yes,
Is there
sir.
any difficult?
No, sir, it is.
So here, what is the conditional probability that the question is given to conditional probability that the both are girls, given that youngest is a girl? Both are girls and given that youngest is a girl. So be careful here whenever you are solving this type of the question here. Okay. The question is given here, conditional probability both are girls. So both girls means what is the sample space? First you tell me what is the sample space?
One will be BB.
Boy.
Yes.
PG,
Then
GB,
yes.
GG.
Then GG.
Girl. E is the event that E only let us consider. E is the event of both girls.
Then 1/4.
So, no. First you don't find out event you
Okay.
write.
Okay, then
So
GG.
both girls is nothing but only GG. Probability of yes. If you want, you can write probability of E also. Probability of E is equals to 1/4. The first question is given that. Okay, question kya de diya first one? It is given that youngest is a girl. So this is youngest one, means first one youngest, second one is first one is elder, second one is younger. So
Yes.
first question is youngest is the girl. So F is the event that
Yes, sir. BG and
event that
GG.
young. You have to write the steps like the youngest is girl. So that is nothing but F event is going to get the PG
PG and GG.
and GG. So these two, this is it. So now in this case, you have to find the probability of E given here. In this situation, both girls होने का probability क्या है? So 1/2.
Yes.
In this situation, both girls, so 2 out of the 1. Normally,
Yeah.
if I say, as per the intersection, if you go for that, then your intersection, E intersection F find out karo, 1 you are going to get. Then probability of E intersection F is equals to 1/4. Probability of F is equals to 2/4. So 1/4 by 2/4 is equals to 1/2. In that way also you can do it. The second condition is given to you that at least one girl. At least one girl is nothing but F is equals to given to you that at least one girl. One girl हो सकता है, two girls means boy boy, girl. In this two girls situation is one only you are going to. So probability of E given F is equals to 1/3, because out of 3 only one is going to have the both girls. Did you understand here?
Yes, sir.
13th question is given: the instructor has a question bank of consisting the 300 easy true or false questions and 200 difficult true or false questions. 300, 200. So there are true or false questions are there, and easy questions are there, difficult questions are there. So question is given: the 300 easy type of true or false questions are there, and 200 difficult type of true or false questions are there, and 500 easy multiple choice questions are 500 easy multiple choice questions are there, and 400 difficult multiple choice questions are there with him. These are the things, questions he is having. If a question is selected at a random from the question bank, what is the probability that it will be an easy question given that it is a multiple choice questions? Can you tell? E for easy question, F is a given that multiple choice.
So 500 by 900 plus 500 is only 1,400. 500 by 1,400.
Multiple choice. Total, see here, F is a multiple choice.
Yes.
F is a multiple choice. In the multiple choice question, how many multiple choice questions are there total?
Okay, 900.
900. And in that easy questions, how many are there?
500.
So 500 by 900, very simple.
Okay, I just calculated everything of the book.
See, okay, if we calculate everything also, see here, as per the question means, if you want to go with probability of E, what is probability of E in this situation? Easy questions. So what is the probability of easy questions? Means total easy questions is no.
Yes, it is 800.
800 by total.
1,400.
1,400, which is equals to 8 by 14. Or still, if you simplify that, you are going to get it as a 4 by 7. Okay. Actually, probability of E is not necessary to us, because probability of E given F is nothing but probability of E intersection F by probability of F. We need probability of F. See, it is not necessary to us to find out. But for knowledge, I told you. As per this, if you want to go, probability of F is nothing but F, multiple choice questions. So multiple choice questions, total multiple choice questions are 900.
Yes.
Multiple choice questions by 1400. So this is, you are going to get 9 by 14.
Yes.
So what is meant by E intersection F? The questions which are easy and multiple choice. In a multiple choice, easy questions, how many are there? So only in this you are going to get, like this you are not supposed to write. This is wrong.
Okay.
What is N of E intersection F is 500. Number of, so then the probability of E intersection F is nothing but 500 by 1400, which is equals to 5 by 14. So we are going to get here 5 by 14 by 9 by 14. So 14 will get cancelled, 5 by 9. The same thing you are going to get it very simple. This is sample space you have to consider. So my multiple choice sample space 900, and easy questions is a questions. In that easy questions, how many are there? 500. It is not at all necessary to us to this about the true or false.
Yes.
That is not at all taken into consider. Okay. So
yes, sir.
14th question is given to you. Given the two numbers appearing on a throwing a dice, appearing on a throwing a two dice are different. So find the probability that the event that the sum of the numbers on a die is 4. So that is
there will be 36 outcomes.
But in the 36 outcomes, given that two numbers appearing on a throwing a die are different. This is given. So actually, very interesting thing is that given whatever it is saying to you, that should be taken as a F usually, because E given that F you need to find out. In this situation, E given that F. So we need to find out, it is given that when you throw the die, usually you are going to get it total outcomes 36. But when you throw the die twice, different numbers appearing. Different numbers appearing, how many? Actually, same numbers appearing chances are these two are there. 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. So 6 will be there. So if you consider F is an event, because it is given that question is given. In the question it is given that it is given that. So that's why better you consider that as a F. F is an event appearing on a throwing a two die are different. Numbers appearing, two numbers appearing on a throwing a two die are different. This is the event. Okay. Then what is N of F? You will get 30. Actually, N of S is equals to 36. Total number of outcomes when you throw the die.
Yes.
Okay. So N of S is equals to that. And E is the find the probability of an event. Sum on the numbers die is 4. So normally whenever you consider 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4 like this, sum on the die is 2. Sum on the die is 2 is nothing but only you are going to have the 1 comma 1. Remaining any situation you are not going to have. Sorry, sum on the die is 4.
Yeah.
4, not 2. 4 is nothing but 1 if you take 3, 2 if you take 2, 3 if you take 1. That's
Yes.
all. But see here, simple logic is this is not should not be taken. This is not there in this. So 2 out of 30.
Okay.
This is 2 out of 30. So probability of E intersection F is equal to 2 out of 30. Directly you can say.
Yes.
As per the samajh mein aaya na? Is it clear?
हाँ sir.
Yes. So actually 30 outcomes are there in which no digit is repeated. No number is repeated. So in that actually, this is actually E is an event whenever you are taking. N of E is equals to 3 you are taking. N of E is 3. In this case, E is the event that sum on the die is 4 if you take. N of E should be given as 3 only. And then after N of E intersection F should be taken. N of E intersection F is only you are going to get it 2. Is 2 only common. So probability of E intersection F is nothing but 2 by 36. Probability of F is nothing but 30 by 36. So probability of E given F is nothing but, as per the formula I am going. So probability of E intersection F is nothing but 2 by 36 by 30 by 36. So we are going to get that is 2 by 30. Same. So in both the ways you should be ready to answer that. Okay. So
Yes,
like
sir.
this, the simple questions are there. Easily you can answer them. 16th question, 15th question. See, consider the experiment of throwing a die. If a multiple of 3 comes up, throw die again. So read the question properly. Consider the experiment of throwing a die. If a multiple of 3 comes up, experiment में throwing a die. If a multiple of 3 comes up, throw a die again. And if any other number comes, toss a coin. Okay.
Okay.
So what are the outcomes you are going to get it? Let's list out that outcomes. Better.
Yeah.
When you throw the die, 3 comes up. Multiple of 3 comes up. Multiple of 3 is either 3 or 6. So throw the die again. If a number comes up, other number comes up, then toss a coin. So when you toss a coin, first to throw the die, 1 comes up. So 1 comma head. There is a chance. 1 head and 1 tail. 1 tail. Because 1 head, 1 comes up means either there may be a chance of tossing a coin. Either you may get head or tail. So 1 comma head, 1 comma tail. Next, 2 if you take 2 comma head, 2 head. 2 head I am thinking and 2 tail. 3 if you take 3 or multiple of 3 means you have to throw the die. So 3, 1. This is like this: 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5,
3
6, 4 head, 4 tail.
4 tail.
Next
5 head,
5
5
head,
tail.
5
5
tail.
tail.
6 1,
Then 6
6
1,
2,
6 2, 6.
and so on. 6 6.
Continue to 6 6.
This is a sample space. Find the conditional probability of an event. The coin shows a tail. Coin showing a tail is E event. E is an event that coin shows a tail. Coin
Okay.
shows a tail is nothing but you have to take this one.
Yes.
1T,
1T, 2T,
2T,
4T, 5T.
4T, 5T. Next, given that if at least one die shows 3, in a 2 dice, at least one die shows 3. That means this.
Yes.
3 1, 3 2,
They're also 6
3 3, 3 4, 3 5, and 6 3. Ah, yes, 6 3 also. At least one die shows 3. Now, what is the probability of this given that this? Can you tell? In this, there is no tail at all.
Yeah.
Intersection part is 0. Then the probability is 0. इतना करने के बाद लास्ट में 0 आ गया है. Simple thing. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
let's move to the 16th. You can do it. Probability of A given, probability of B given 0, probability of A given B is asking. A given B means intersection by probability of B. So denominator, whatever it may be the intersection, we don't know. So whenever probability of A intersection B by probability of B, probability of B is given to you 0. So that is not defined. When the denominator is 0, it is not defined. Coming to the 17th question, if A and B are the two events such that probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of B intersection B, then what is the condition? Probability of A given that is equal to probability of B given A. A given that is equal to B given that A. Then what is the condition? A is subset to B. So what is probability of A intersection B by probability of B is equal to probability of A intersection B by probability of A. So what you can get here? Probability of A is equals to probability of B. Numerators both are equal, the denominators will be equal. So fourth option is correct. Okay? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Next, conditional multiplication theorem and probability we are going to learn in the next class. Tomorrow we'll see.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Devlina, you can leave.
Okay, sir. Thank you.